Present the technique of arthroscopic double row lateral meniscus root repair using suture anchors. Diagnostic arthroscopy is done, which suggests a complete ACL tear as well as tear of the posterior horn of the lateral meniscus root. Whole of the meniscus on probing seems to be lifted and avulsed from the root footprint. Anatomical femoral tunnel is drilled, and now attention is focused on the footprint of lateral meniscus root. Reducibility is checked, and at the lateral footprint a guide is passed, followed by drilling with the bit pin. A suture relay is done, which is taken out from anteromedial portal. A double loaded all suture anchor is mounted onto a fiber wire after removing from the shaft, and this is loaded onto a suture loop, which on pulling leads to the deployment of all suture anchor onto the lateral footprint. There are 4 sutures. 3 sutures are taken out from the central portal, and from anteromedial portal a suture is loaded onto a scorpion, and it is passed around 6 mm posterior to the lateral meniscus. This is again taken out to the central portal, and another suture is being ready. This is again passed through the lateral meniscus in a matrix configuration. The rest of 2 sutures are again passed through the meniscus in the similar manner, and a black tiger wire is sutured onto the meniscus using the alternate half hitches, and rest 2 sutures are not tied. These all 4 sutures are taken out. A spinal needle is passed from the hypoglossal portal onto the medial footprint. A 5.5 cannula is passed in such a way to pass guide onto a medial footprint. A push lock anchor drill is passed. All 4 sutures are now taken out through the posterior portal and mounted onto a push lock anchor. This push lock anchor is introduced from the posterior portal onto the medial footprint of the lateral meniscus root. Sutures are tensioned, and the push lock is inserted onto the medial footprint. Once this is done, whole of the meniscus along with the lateral and the medial footprint get anatomically reduced. Now the sutures are cut. First set of suture is cut, followed by the second set of suture. Now on probing from posterior portal, anatomically reduced double row repair is seen, which is seen on the palpation from anteromedial portal. Stable configuration, and meniscus is well reduced onto the footprint. This is followed by doing anatomical ACL reconstruction. Thank you for watching our double row lateral meniscus root repair technique.